Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Costco account, membership, and online shopping step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type Costco.com in the address bar and press enter. Check that the website address starts with HTTPS and shows Costco to avoid fake sites. Look at the top right corner of the homepage for the sign-in option. Click Sign In to open the login page. If you are on the Costco app, open the app and tap Sign In on the home screen. On the login page, find the email address field. Click the email address field and type the email you used to register with Costco. Next, find the password field under the email field. Click the password field and type your password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off because passwords are case sensitive. If you want the site to remember you on a private device, check the Remember Me option. Do not use Remember Me on a shared or public computer. Click the Sign In button to log in. Wait a few seconds while Costco verifies your information. If you see an error, recheck your email and password for typos. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address and follow the reset instructions sent to your inbox. Open the reset email and create a strong new password you can remember. Return to the login page and sign in again with your new password. If you have not created an online account yet, click Create Account. Enter your membership number and personal details exactly as requested. Create your email and password, then complete the account setup. After signing in, click Account to view your membership information and settings. To shop online, use the search bar to find items and open a product page. Click Add to Cart to place the item in your cart. Click the cart icon to review your items and proceed to checkout when ready. If asked, confirm your membership details and select your delivery or pickup options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.